Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to set up alarm clock on our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To set our alarm, we have to go to the clock option here, or we can just clock options here, and here we have our alarm options. So we will go to this alarm. We can change in which day the alarm will be active. We can change the sound of the alarm. For example, this one, it's changed now. Alarm sound is on. Here we have our volume. Can make it louder, quieter. And here we have our snooze option. Right now it's set to 5 minutes, 3 times. We can change our snooze interval and our repeat. Let's do forever. And of course, to change time, we can simply use our keyboard here by clicking individual hour or minutes, or we can just scroll here. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe, and remember to save the alarm. See you in the next video. Goodbye.